Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Today we will learn about IP word family. I says I, P says P. Together we say IP. L, ip, lip. My lip is dry. S, ip, sip. Take a sip of water. T, ip, tip. Here is a tip. H, ip, hip. Put hands on hips. D, ip, dip. Dip the bread. R, ip, rip. Do not rip paper. Z, ip, zip. Zip your bag. Sh, ip, ship. The ship sails. Ch, ip, chip. I ate a chip. F, l, ip, flip. Flip the card. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye-bye.